I just created this map chart in Excel.
Oh my God!
Here's how. Click on your data range and press Ctrl-T to format it as a table. Click Insert Slicer and pick the state category to filter the data. Confirm, change the column number to 3, move the slicer, and adjust it. Now go to Insert and add a map chart. Change the color, move it here, and adjust it. Remove the title, background, and border. Then press Alt-WVG to remove the grid lines. And that's it.
Back and forth between Excel windows? Here's a faster way. Press Alt-W-N to open a new window of your current file. Now go to the View tab and click View Side by Side. Excel will place both windows side by side so you can compare them easily. Enable synchronous scrolling to scroll both sheets at the same time. If you want a different layout, click Arrange All and choose how you want the windows to be displayed. Try this tip out next time you're juggling multiple sheets and you can multitask like a pro.
Putting images like a noob.
Oh hell no!
Instead, try this. Go to your browser, right-click on the image, and press Copy Image Address. Go back to Excel and paste it into this cell. Now enter the image function. Pick the image link as the source and press Enter to confirm. As you can see, we now have our images. Please stop getting totals like a noob.
Oh my God!
Instead, try this new function. Go here and enter Group By. Pick the row field, in this case the month. Then select the range with the values, like the sales here. Now select the function you want to use to consolidate the data. Enter 3 to show the headers at the top, and then 1 to show the grand total. Finally, select the sorting order. We're sorting based on the second column. Press Enter, and that's it. If you update a number, the totals will change too.
Have a table of orders, and I want to summarize revenue by state and year. Then I use the formula equals pivot by open parenthesis, select the state column, comma, select year date, comma, select revenue, comma, sum, close parenthesis, then click enter. That's it. It gives me a dynamic pivot style report in seconds. No dragging or drop downs needed. I have a column of dates, and you need to figure out what day of the week each one falls on. Well, instead of manually typing each day one by one, just do this. Click on the first cell in the day column, type equals text, open parenthesis, then select the date, type a comma, quotes, then type 4Ds, then another quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. Now double click the fill handle to apply it to the rest of the column, and you've got all your weekdays filled in automatically. That's it.